Guys, good morning guys. Look at this one. Napakaganda po ng mag-design you guys. Dalawang puso na parang dahon guys. Look at that. Tsaka napakaganda po. Napakabago. Sobrang mahal po nito guys. 18 carats po ito guys. Pero ipinaon po yung diamante dyan. Yung diamond sa 18 carats. Look at that. Sobrang pulido, nabigat, makapal. At talagang isiniksik, inilublob doon yung diamond sa 18 carats gold para po safe, secured at pwedeng gamitin araw-araw. Okay guys, so you can see po, sobrang pulido, sobrang kapal, talaga namang wow. Yung diamond po mga master, lahat po yan maglalakihan. Ang specification ng diamond, look at that, clarity 100%. Cut 100%. Kanyang spark, napakaputi. Talagang wow. Nag-iba-ibang kulay guys. And take note guys, hindi pa to na nababrasan. Once nabrasan po yan, ako po, talagang lalabas yung kulay niya dyan. Okay guys, so ito po ang isuot po natin para makita natin yung size. Okay. So size is, I think this size is ayan po, yung kamay ko. Size po nito guys, siguro nasa 5.0 to 6.0 or 4.5 to 5.5. Okay guys, so look at this. Guys, look at this one. Wow, wow, wow. Now guys, timbangin natin para actually makita guys. Okay, so this one is absolutely wow. Guys, ang 18 carats gold, guys, ay nasa 3 grams or 3.20 grams, okay? Yung 0.20 po dyan, ay ano natin sa diamond. Kasi malalaki yung diamond. Look at that, guys. Mall price, abutin po ito ng 57,000, guys, pag mga ganitong disenyo. At sobrang napakabigat. Alright? 3.2 grams, okay? Gold, good investment na po ito sa gold. Ang gold ay pataas na pataas na pataas. Bawat araw tumataas. At ang diamond nito guys, talagang wow. Class E, number 1. Yung kanyang clarity. Alright? So, unahan lang. Salamat.